Hello friends, in this short episode I'm going to show you how to replace the light switch on a W204, but more importantly I'll explain why I'm doing this. The problem was that if I left the car parked for 2 or 3 days, say over the weekend, I would find the battery dead or almost dead and the car won't crank. This happened to me several times. At first I thought it was an issue with the battery itself or maybe a parasitic drain. I checked the battery and the charging system and everything was fine. Then I made sure I hadn't left any consumers on, but the problem still persisted. One night, however, a neighbor called me and told me I had left my parking lights on, which is something I never do. When I went to check the car, I saw that the switch was set to 0, but the parking lights were indeed on. I moved the switch just slightly and the lights turned off immediately. That's when I realized there was a short or internal fault between the 0 position and the right side parking light position. I replaced the switch and since then I haven't had any more problems. Before you buy a new switch console, double check that it matches your car exactly, because depending on the features your car has, these can be quite different. Of course, you can always pick up a cheap one from a breaker yard. That's what I did. Alright, let's see how to do the replacement. It is very easy. First you twist the switch all the way to the left. Then pull the knob out. You might have to use both hands for a better grip. You then twist the knob slightly to the right and you'll see the light switch dial loosen up so you can pull it out. Now you got these 3 metal clips holding the console in place that need to be pushed toward the center. Let's do just that. And it's out. You can see the metal clips much better now, and behind it there is a small connector. You push the small plastic clip on top and pull it out. And that was it, guys. I inserted the connector into the socket of the new switch. I checked if it works, and then I pressed it back in place. Then the dial, and that was it. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like if it helped and leave a comment if you need more info. Bye bye.